Today's lesson is about these error messages right up here. You'll notice here, if I hover over top of it, it says photo is missing. And this one right here, it said it's only viewing the smart preview. It's not viewing the original photo. And the problem is that I went into the Finder, and this works too for Windows as well. When I went into the operating system and I changed the folder. Let me show you right here. See, I went and decided that rather than it just being called Originals, it should be called Lightroom Originals. And so I went and I changed that in here. The only problem is Lightroom has no idea now where the pathway is to these photos. So here's how to fix it. There's two different ways. First one, just click on the error message. Right? This picture cannot be used because the original files could not be found. Would you like to locate it? Yeah, sure, we'll locate it. You bet. Go there. Now, this is really important. Make sure that you pick the correct photo. If I pick the wrong one, it is going to give me an error message, but you might not read it, and so you need to make sure. And of course, if you read it, make sure you say no, I don't want that. It would take everything you've done to that photo and apply it to a different one, so not good. All right, so make sure you pick the right one. You say select, and you'll see they've all disappeared. Okay. Awesome, because Lightroom is smart enough to realize, oh, well, if it worked for that one, then these other ones, which are in the same folder, should be there too. So I'll take a look, and yeah, you found it. Let's go back, and we're going to change this again, because I haven't learned the first time. LR Originals 2. Oh, we've got our error messages again. But if you look down here, you will notice that there is a question mark on the one. Now this is our original one right here, and then this is the one that we just did. Okay. Let's actually go back to Originals. No, we'll pick this one. It doesn't really matter which one. And say, find missing folder. Oh, okay. Let's find that missing folder, shall we? All right, so if we go to the I keep my Google Drive shortcut on the desktop right here. Go to Photography 2, Sample Catalog, LR Originals 2. There it is right there. And I'm going to pick Choose to show it where the folder is, and my error symbols are now gone. Now, you'll notice over here, because I've gone through a couple of folders, yeah, I've still have this folder here saying, hey, you know, there used to be a folder here called Originals. Okay, you know what? Let's remove that. Good. Yay. Now, I also like to point out, too, that if you want to change the name of a folder and you don't want to go through that whole thing, just right-click or control-click on the name of the folder, pick Rename. There it is right there. You can change the name of the folder. Okay, actually, let's say LR Originals. Yay, save. No problem. Lightroom now knows where all those things are. If you want to move your folder, we're going to say show parent folder right here. And I'm just moving my way up. Show parent folder again. You can just grab folders and move them around to wherever it is that you like. Okay. So do your moving in Lightroom, you're organizing in Lightroom, and Lightroom will always know where the pictures are, so it's really easy. The other thing that you can do too is you can grab individual or groups of photos. I picked the photo by holding down the Command key and then clicking on it, and you can grab them and drag them to whatever folder it is that you want.